गरुडगमन तव चमिह मनसि लसतु मम नित्यं मनसि लसतु मम नित्यं मम तापमपाकुरु देवा मम तापमपाकुरु देवा जलजनयन विधिनमुचिहरणमुख विभूत विनुत पद पद्मा विभूत विनुत पद पद्मा मम तापमपाकुरु देवा मम पापमपाकुरु देवा भुजगशयन भव मदन जनक मम जनन मरण भयहारी जनन मरण भयहारी मम तापमपाकुरु देवा मम पापमपाकुरु देवा शङ्खचक्रधर दुष्ट दैत्यहर सर्वलोक शरणा सर्वलोक शरणा मम तापमपाकुरु देवा मम पापमपाकुरु देवा अगणित गुणगण अशरण शरणद विदलित सुररिपुजाला विदलित सुररिपुजाला मम तापमपाकुरु देवा मम पापमपाकुरु देवा भक्तवैर्यमिह भूरि करुणया पाहि भारती तीर्थं पाहि भारती तीर्थं मम तापमपाकुरु देवा मम पापमपाकुरु देवा गरुडगमन तव चरण कमलमिह मनसि लसतु मम नित्यं मनसि लसतु मम नित्यं मम तापमपाकुरु देवा मम पापमपाकुरु देवा थैंक यू सर
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Gordon bhai, will you add one more shloka or any quote?
I want to sing, sir. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardanam Urvarukaniva Bandhanat Mutyor Mokshiyamamrutat.
Okay, thank you, Nana. And over to Kavita ma'am. Please start the session.
Okay, Sambit sir. Good evening. Good evening, one and all. Yeah.
Your voice is low. Please check, ma'am. Audio.
My voice is slow.
Yes, yes. Just raise your voice.
Is it okay now?
Okay, okay.
Yeah. Friends, as usually, before I start session, I would like to introduce myself once again. This is Kavita Nirmala, working for PGT English, working for Telangana State Model School, Bhimadevarpalli, Warangal Urban. So before I start my session on Google Slides, so kindly go to your Chrome browser once. Yeah. So please type joinpd.com. or else you can click even the link which I posted in the chat box. Yeah, after clicking on or typing joinpd.com in your browser, you will be asked to select your Gmail account. You please select Gmail account. Then you'll be asked a code. Please enter BCIUNR. You can even see on my screen. The same thing I posted BCIUNR. Friends, please go to Google Chrome or any browser, type joinpd.com. No one has joined. BCIUNR. The same thing I posted even in the chat box. BCIUNR. Yeah, one joined so far. Go to browser, type joinpd.com, choose the mail, then enter the code as BCIUNR. Only one joined so far. So could you please tell me, are you trying to join now? Or else I will start class. Yeah, two joined. Yes, sir. Yeah, two joined so far. Okay. So three joined, four. Okay, I'm going to start class. Yeah, those who didn't join, no, please, you can type your answer in the chat box also. Those who have joined in the quiz, please respond. How confident do you feel about using education technology? Yeah, select any one of the emojis. Okay. Yeah, I got all the responses. 4 out of 4 responses I got. Thank you. Okay. So you have been attending webinars or the sessions on ICT tools I don't know which session is this, but could you please write the ICT tools which you know? Yeah. If you click there, you'll get your keypad, sorry. So you can type or even you can write by choosing a pen over there. A text box also you will get. So you can type by using your keypad if you are logged in through your mobile or laptop or desktop. Yeah, computer.
So you select T letter, sir, and you can type text.
Yeah, text. Thank you. Let us move on to the next question. Yes. Friends, do you want me to start the session? You find a blue color circle. You can drag and drop on your option. Yeah, thank you so much for your response. Thank you so much for your response. Thank you. So, okay. Thank you so much for your cooperation. Thank you so much for your participation, even in the peer deck. Yeah, could you please stop annotating the screen? Yeah. So before we move to Google
Ma'am,
Slides,
please
sir,
raise your voice very low.
it's 100%. Okay.
Plug
So
out.
before we start with Google Slides, let us see the comparison between PowerPoint and Google Slides. As we all know that all these days, I mean, for the long years, PowerPoint has remained a champion of presentation software. So why? Because it's remained champion of presentation software. It's because the fact that we have been or it's been universally adopted, right? Now what happened? Now the cloud software has come. It's becoming like, it became more prevalent and powerful. So that's why it is replacing PowerPoint. So what is that replacing PowerPoint? It's nothing but Google Slides. So it's not that due to the fact that Slides is a free tool, and with most of the functionality of PowerPoint, it's been, Google Slides uh, is most widely used by the people. And it is very easy to, uh, okay. Here you can see the differences between PowerPoint and Google Slides. Most of the features are same, except if we are preparing presentation in PowerPoint, we need to install Microsoft Office, whereas if we have a Google Gmail account, that's it, we can make use of Google Slides. I think already you have knowledge about Google Docs and Google Sheets. uh, so the same thing, if we have a Gmail account, it becomes easy for us to have access with the Google Slides. The same thing here, we can access both the file format supported for import all these files. Collaboration is possible. Okay. So through OneDrive, collaboration is possible in PowerPoint, whereas if we have just a Gmail account wherever we are, we can access our Google slide presentation. And in both the PowerPoint as well as Google Slides, we have animations. Only the thing is here, Google Slides have limited animations. Other than that, all very easy and handy applications we have, the features we can use, and which makes it easy for us to use this Google Slides. So actually, this is the icon of Google Slides. Okay. Now, what is Google Slides? Google Slides is nothing but a presentation program which is included as a part of free web-based software Office suite, which is offered by Google within its Google Drive service. And here we can see that already I have told you that Slides allows users to create and edit presentations online while collaborating with other users in real time. So we can access Google Slides through browser, as well as even we can download Google Slide app from Google Play Store or App Store. So why Google Slides? The same thing once again here with the Google Slides, we can create, edit, collaborate, and present wherever we are for free. And how to use Google Slides? So it's an online presentation app that lets us create and format presentations and work with other people even. It's nothing but collaboration. So this is the, like, when I give you hands-on experience, it becomes easy uh, to understand. So this is the home page. Once we enter into the Google slide, we get this page where it has, this is the title, and this is the menu bar where it has various options like Google Docs and Google Sheets, the same options. Yeah. Coming to the features of Google Slides, we can create a presentation which we can use for our classroom purposes or for seminars. Okay, for any a presentation, we can create various presentations by using Google Slides. We can edit and format our presentation, our slides. Even we can share and work with others and create, find, or download a file. So yeah, we can change the formats. I mean, when we download, we can change the file formats to various forms like PDF or even to the PowerPoint PPT. We can add text and bullet points. We can add images and backgrounds. We can customize according to our specifications and our requirement. The various Google Slides, it has various layouts based on our context, based on our presentation. We can select the different templates. We can insert both audio files, video files, even we can import the slides. We have Q&A. We can sync our slides with other files even, and we explore. There are many more features. Okay, so let us move on to the hands-on experience. So there are different ways how we go to Google Slides. One is going to the browser and typing slides.google.com. Yeah, here we can see the blank presentation, a new one. By clicking on plus symbol, we will be navigated to Google Slides homepage. The other way to go to or create Google Slides is going to the drive. By clicking on this 9 dots, we'll find our drive. So this is drive which is already opened. So go to plus new. Yeah, come down. Here you find Google Slides. So click on Google Slides. Yeah, there is another way also by going to the browser, typing slides.new. We will be taken to Google Slides homepage. So this is the Google Slides homepage. First and foremost thing what we do is this is untitled. Why? Because we did not give any name to our presentation. So I named it as RIE session. So the thing is here, the difference between PowerPoint and Microsoft products, not only the PowerPoint and Google products is whatever the work we do in Google, it will be saved automatically in the cloud. It doesn't occupy any space in our computer hard disk, whereas in Microsoft Office, whatever, like whether it is MS Word or Excel or PowerPoint, so we need to install MS Office software. And every time, whenever we work in particular file, we need to keep on pressing Control S or Save button. So all our work will be saved in our computer hard disk. So this is that's the main difference here, so that people feel very easy. Why? Because so if we work in PowerPoint or sorry Microsoft documents, so we need to carry our laptop or desktop wherever we go. Whereas Google, it will be everything is stored in cloud, so that with our Gmail account we can access everything wherever we are. Only if internet is available, it becomes easy for us. Okay, so coming to the, yeah, we have given the title here, untitled document previously. We named it. See, when we create many presentations, and even we will be working on Google Docs and Google Sheets, spreadsheets. So all our work will be saved in the Google Drive. So to avoid confusion and to save time, the important things we can mark star here, so that when you go to the drive, here you can see the starred. So you'll find automatically in the starred area. So yeah, this is the, so as soon as we open Google Slides, so we'll be navigated to this Google Slides homepage, where we can find here different themes. Yeah. So if you are not interested in this slide, you can go to here left side. You can see the plus symbol and a drop down icon. So by clicking on that, you can select the slide of, we can select the slide of our choice. So here blank slide, the various title slides, section header, title and body, title and two columns. So if we are writing any differences, we can take this title and two columns, only title with the information, we can go for this one column text. So it's all based on our presentation, based on our specification or requirement. We select the slides. So I would like to take the blank slide. So if you're not interested, you can delete it by uh, selecting and clicking on the delete button. Okay. So now here there are different themes. Just scroll down. You'll find different themes. If you are interested in this theme, yeah. Okay. So like this, whichever the theme you feel, it's all our choice. So select the theme. Okay. Then coming to the file menu, this is all, this is called as menu bar. Coming to the file menu, we have here share option. Like after we prepare our presentation, or after we prepare all our slides, we can share our slides. This is once again a new presentation, and open import slides is also sharing of our slides. If you want a duplicate copy, or the second copy of our presentation, we can take make a copy, or we can click on make a copy. Or you want entire presentation to be copied, or even we can take the slides by selecting. So email as attachment, even you can after preparing all our slides or our presentation, we can mail as an attachment our presentation. Even we can download. So when you click on download, here we can see various options: Microsoft PowerPoint, ODP. These are the different file formats according to our choice. Make available offline. Even we can, by clicking on this, we can work offline without internet also. We can work. Version history. Yeah. So this is, for example, when we are teaching a particular, like grammar, if we take the same topics we teach for 8th, 9th, and 10th, some of the topics, some of the grammar items. So we teach for the same classes, sorry, same topic for the different classes. So there we can make use of this version history. So if we make any changes automatically, the changes will be updated. Then we can rename. So as I have given here our RIE session, by clicking on this rename, it gets activated and I can change. So add shortcut to drive, move to trash. If you are not interested, you can move it to the trash, publish to the web, document details and the language here, the various languages you can see. So this is about file menu and we have edit. For example, yeah, I have taken a text here. Okay, I typed something information, communication, technology. Is playing a vital role in education. So here, the same, if you go to edit, you can undo. Yeah, I just changed the spelling of communication and we can redo it. So all these are the edit options. So paste without formatting, duplicate, select all, find and replace. If there are any spelling errors or if you want to replace any word, you can select and replace and view. Okay, first let us move on to the insert. Yeah, here based on our requirement or yeah, the purpose why we are what sort of or what kind of presentation we are preparing. So based on that, we can insert images, audio and video files. By clicking on, we have to go to insert and then we find here image. Yeah, by clicking on image, we find upload from computer. If already images are there related to your presentation or related to your topic in your hard disk, computer hard disk, then you can select upload from computer. So by clicking on that, it will be, the image will be inserted on our slide. Or else, if there are no images or pictures related to our topic, even we can search from the web here itself. When you click on search the web, right side web page is created or a search page is created for the images. So for example, if I take like let me take 10th standard English first lesson, Nick Vujicic.
Kavita madam, just you have to raise your voice, madam.
Actually, it is 100%. I don't know what happened.
Just you raise your voice. Okay.
Okay, sir. Yeah. So by searching here, go to insert, click on image. So when you click on upload from computer, we will be taken to our computer hard disk. And if already the images are there in the computer, you can select, or else you can click on the search the web. so that the sidebar Google search button is created, right side, so that here you can type according to our topic. So here I have typed it as Nick Vujicic. Just select it and insert. So now we can adjust. We can adjust the image. We can drag its size. We can adjust its size based on our presentation. For example, so here you want to write about Nick Vujicic. So take the text box this side and here the picture. Yeah. Then we can write here motivational speaker. So this is how we insert text box and also the picture. Then now the background of our slide is white. So even we can change the background of our slide. So how do we change the background of our slide? Here you can see change background. Click on that background. You'll get a box here showing different options: color, image, reset theme, color. When you click on color, you find solid and gradient. So yeah, and even if you are not interested solid and gradient color, solid colors, these colors which are being displayed here, so even you can custom by clicking on the plus symbol down. So if you know the code, even you can give the code here for a particular color, or if you want any specific color of your choice, you can directly type the code here. Yeah, I would like to take, okay. So after choosing the background color, so even here you can choose the images and you can reset the theme, click on the done. So this is how we create background to our slide. Then coming to the, yeah, now we have inserted here image. See, the images we can take from our computer hard disk, or we can directly search. This is safe search. We need not worry for that. So, and even we can insert the picture from our drive. By clicking on drive, we will be taken to our drive space. Then Google Photos will be taken to Google Photos by URL. If you know any link, you can even paste link, for example, here. So if you want to paste the link, what we have to do, we have to go there, copy paste, copy a particular link. Yeah, we can copy paste the link also. If you are not interested, okay, in this way we insert images. Okay, go to insert, and I have just shown taking text box. Yeah, here by dragging the plus icon, plus symbol, we can create the text box and we can write accordingly. So we can insert even audio file. Yeah. So when you click on insert audio, here we have my drive, the audios which are shared with me, and the recent audios. So if there are audios, just go to that particular audio, click on that so that the select option gets activated. Then click on select. Now automatically here you could see the audio is.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. నేను షేన్విత. వరంగల్ పబ్లిక్ స్కూల్లో 5వ తరగతి చదువుతున్నాను. నేను ఒక పద్యము దాని భావము చెప్పు.
So like this we can insert audio file. Now coming to the video. Yeah. Even we can insert videos onto our Google Slides. We can search in YouTube, or by placing a URL or link, we can insert the video, and even we can select from our Google Drive also. Yeah, if there are any videos, you can select the video. So automatically the select option gets activated and click on select. Yeah, like this.
Hi Venki, how are you?
Hi Nikki, I am fine. How about you?
Yeah, in this
I am
way.
fine. I think you are very busy in
We can insert audio files. Here you can see that, for example, in order to avoid or save our time, in order to avoid wastage of time or to save our time, we can trim the video. For example, in our class, if you want to show only just a minute video, but it is 2.28 minutes. So here you can give the starting point and ending point, so that automatically it gets set. For example, only 1 minute. Okay. So like this, we can mute audio. We can, yeah, adjust the play time of our video also. So this is how we add video to our file, or else directly from the YouTube we can take the videos. Yes. So if you scroll down, you'll find more videos. So whichever you feel fit to your presentation, we can select that video, and clicking on select, it gets inserted on our slide. So this is how we insert videos onto our slide. Yeah. Let us move on to another slide. Okay. So now here, I'm taking a blank slide. For example, To here also we can save time instead of going to this plus or drop down box and selecting the slide. By clicking here, if you right click there on the slide, you find new slide or duplicate the slide. So in this way also we can take our new slide for our presentation. So let us move on to here, insert. Yeah, there are different shapes. You find here rectangle, triangle, circles, arrows, calottes, equations. So anything we can insert. Then even we can insert tables here by clicking on whether you want 1 into 1 or 2 into 1. So here you can drag the size. You can drag its position wherever you want to. Yeah. By keeping the cursor in a particular box, we can increase its size. This is about insert options. Here we have various options. If you explore diagrams, we can insert word art, lines, special characters. Here, the special characters, animation. This is very interesting. Animation. Yeah. For example, if I take this slide, now nothing is given, no animation is added to my slide. So here you can see object animations, play on click. So what happens here when we go to presentation mode here, automatic presentation, slideshow mode. Yeah, play on click. If you click on that, then only it will be played. Or else we can change here. Yeah, play automatically. So when we select presentation mode, automatically it comes one after the other. We need not click next always. So with previous, after previous or with previous. So it depending on our choice, we can select the option. Play. We can see here. There is no other file. See.
Hi Venki, how are you?
This is the
Hi,
first video
Nikki.
which
I
we
am
have
fine.
added. Okay. So in this way, we can add animations
हेलो दोस्तों नमस्कार
to
क्या
our
आप
slides. This is very interesting. Okay. So there are format options. If you select the slide, okay, close the options here. Select here, borders and lines. For example, let me take a new slide so that it becomes visible. Yeah. Take a text box. Go to format. Yeah, border lines. If you want to color your border, so click on border color. So take color of your choice. For example, yeah, border weight. This is the thickness. If I take 8, it appears like this. So the same thing, all these we can make use based on our presentation. We have to customize our preferences and all. Here border types, we have even different border types, single border or double border, triple border, border dash, border decorations we have here. So it's all depends on our presentation. We can go for all this customization. Then slides here. The same thing here. Here you find plus symbol and drop down where we can get different types of slides. And the same thing we have under slide menu also. New slide, duplicating the slide. If you are not interested, delete slide. And even we can skip slide. For example, you have prepared 20 slides for your presentation. And during presentation, if you feel that any of the slides is not useful for you, then before the presentation itself, we can select a skip slide. So that what happens when we present our slideshow, then that's the slide which we have selected for skipping. So it won't be displayed. So change the background. Now, as of now, I did not give any background. The same thing again here. We can choose background of our choice once again, the color, everything. Yeah. Send backward. For example, you have selected this slide, third slide. Now you can send it to backward. Okay. Fine. Yeah, we can keep them in order. Send backward, send to back, center on page, horizontally, vertically. So all these, when you explore, it becomes easy for us. Even spelling errors, we can check spelling. Spell check also, we can enable. So if we type any mistakes, it cautions us with spelling errors. Linked objects, dictionary we can have, Q&A history. For example, uh, in our classroom, if some of the students, they may hesitate to get up and ask questions. So that for them, it becomes easy. So if we enable Q&A option, so they type their question and we can answer them. And voice type speaker notes. When you click here, we can record our voice here. Script editor, preferences, accessibility settings. Then coming to the add-ons. Yeah, this is one more interesting feature of Google Slides is add-ons. We can have various like lucid chart diagrams. When you click on get add-ons, here, when you click on get add-ons, the possible add-ons will be showed here. So based on our requirements, we can go for, we have to install. Actually, what are these add-ons? Add-ons are nothing but they are the tools that built by third-party developers. So that what happens, it enhances the functionality to help us create more and more impressive slides. So here, the very first beginning of our session, I used Peer Deck. Okay, so which I already have installed. Nearpod, Peer Deck, Lucid Chats. So these are various add-ons which we can install based on our requirement. Just clicking on that particular add-on. Yeah, we get install option, slide contents. By clicking on install, continue. Yeah, it takes authentication, email authentication. Scroll down, click on allow. Yeah, you can see here slide contents has been installed. Then click on done. Then close this. Here go to add-ons. You can see here previously only 3 add-ons are there. Now slide contents have been added here. So this one is peer deck, which I used in the beginning of our session. This is very interesting. By clicking on that, right side we get a sidebar where it has a start lesson. After this is our template library. When you click on that, you will have beginning of lesson. The various options you find here: beginning of lesson, during lesson, and end of lesson. For example, beginning of lesson, if you want to test the previous knowledge of the students, so inbuilt questions we have here. Inbuilt in the sense we can change the question according to our wish. So what did you learn from the homework? Beginning of the class, there are different question patterns. Okay, so if you want to insert that one, so just click on that. What do you wonder about today's topic? See, automatically it gets inserted here. You can change the question here if you want. So in this way, beginning of the lesson, during the lesson, if you want to test the whether the learners or the students are attentive in the class or not, to drag our students' attention towards our teaching learning transaction, we can test, we can add these questions during our lesson. We have here multiple choice slide, true or false. If you scroll down, you find various options. So just by clicking on it, it gets added in onto our slides. Yeah. So like that, we have various options like beginning of lesson, during lesson, end of lesson. Okay. So after adding these slides, we have to click on start lesson so that a code will be generated, and we have to ask the students to go to join PD as you have done in the beginning of session. So I would like to show, uh, okay, one more important thing. I forgot to show you, sorry. Yes, here we have explore option. Right bottom of our slide, we have here explore option. So by selecting the particular slide, by clicking on explore, it gives us many varieties of our slide, many layouts. So instead of going every time, instead of going to theme and selecting, even here we can find various slides. The same, the same slide appears in these varieties, various layouts. So we can go for just click it and automatically it gets inserted. So this is one important feature of Google Slides. Yeah. So here, as usually, we have this is fill color. So if you want to fill the background of the text box, so border color here. Yeah. And this is border weight, the same options. And here, okay. So by selecting the text, Yeah, you can change the font style, whichever the font you can change, and even the size of the letters you can decrease and increase. Yeah, you can bold, italics, and underline. And this is the text color. You can change the text color, highlighting, highlighting the text for the headings and all. We highlight the text. And here, if you click, you find more options. Yeah. So if you click more option, you find here inserting a link, adding a comment, and alignment. For example, if you want to center the text, right alignment, left alignment. This is also based on our slide view. We can go for alignment, and we can give line spacing. It is also our choice. Listing, we can give numbers, bullets, margin, decreasing the indent, the same options which we have in Google Docs. So here format options was once again, yeah, size and rotation. For example, if you want to increase or decrease the width, height of your slide, this is for the slide. We can make changes, even the formatting changes. When you click on three dots, we find here format options and animation options. I just want to show, yeah, one Google slide presentation which I prepared the first unit of 10th standard. By clicking on present, here you can see Q&A. Yes, start new. For example, if I click on this, yeah. So I have added the music here. We can even insert GIF files. We have various options here. Slides starting from first slide. Play here. So all these options we find in animation. See here, when you click on animation, so object here, nothing is set, none. Select whether you want to fade. Yeah, fade in color. Whether you want your slide to be displayed fast or medium or slow pace. So that also can be adjusted. Now play. So like this. So we can insert in that way. Flip, gallery view, flip model. So like this, we can select the object animation to our slides. Okay, so after our slide presentation, or what do you see, that preparation, creation of our slides is ready, we can share by clicking on share option. Yeah, so here, get link. You will get a link. Here you have different options like restricted and anyone with the link. For example, if you select anyone with the link, now copy link, link copied, you'll find done. Then we can go to WhatsApp or our mail. So I have posted the link. So anyone, by clicking on that link, anyone can open the slide presentation. Or else, so we were talking about collaborative work. By adding the email of our friends or with whom we wanted to work collaboratively, we can add the mail ID, editor. Here we can see the options viewer, commenter, and editor. So if you take the option viewer, only they can view our file. If you take the option commenter, they can only comment. So if you select the option editor, they can make changes in our file. So this is like at a time we can work collaboratively. So clicking on send, it will be sent. Okay. So this is how we prepare and create Google Slides for our presentation purpose. Sambat sir? Sambat sir? Bhushan sir?
Madam,
Yeah, I'm done with my explanation or presentation.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you very much.